Yung pasiran na ninda an exchange para din sila pwede magbenta sa mga currency na dinar. That means, like, nakapakala ko dahil may nagbenta sa eBay. Pero that's not an exchange. Hindi na sila exchange. They're just selling currency sa eBay.
And we never had a blowout problem after that. So it is really cute because it's got these cute Disney characters.
That means they're ready to exchange. They're ready to do the RV. Nakita ko pa lang sa Twitter.
On them. Then this changes colors when obviously they have peed in it. The inside looks like this. It's not a thick diaper at all, but it does absorb a ton.